Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Discord server, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your Discord server, start by logging into your Discord account. Once logged in, locate the plus icon on the left sidebar. Click on the plus icon to create a new server. You will see two options, create my own or join a server. Choose whether you want to create a server for you and your friends or for a larger community. Input a unique name for your server in the designated text box. Optionally, you can upload a server image to personalize your server. After setting the name and image, click on the Create button. Now that your server is created, invite your friends by clicking on the Invite Your Friends section. You can either copy the invite link or select friends from your Discord list to invite them directly. Next, familiarize yourself with the server settings by clicking on the server name at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Server Settings to explore various options. In the server settings, you can adjust roles, channels, and moderation preferences. To create text or voice channels, click on the plus icon next to the text channels or voice channels headings. Fill in the channel name and choose the channel type necessary for your community. Click Create Channel to finalize the setup of your new channel. Repeat this process to establish other channels as needed for your server. Consider setting up roles for members to designate permissions and responsibilities. Return to the server settings and select roles from the left sidebar. Click on the plus icon to create a new role and customize its name and permissions. Once you have set up channels and roles, start engaging with your community. Encourage members to introduce themselves in a dedicated channel to create a welcoming environment. Explore bots to enhance features and moderation, such as automatic welcome messages. Add bots by visiting a bot website, choosing a bot, and authorizing it to join your server. With your server fully activated and customized, enjoy building your community on Discord. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.